Hi, I'm new to this, so you might have to bear with me. I'm usually on the other side of the camera taking photographs rather than being on this side of the camera being videoed, so I'm little bit worried about it, but we'll give it a crack. The reason I'm doing it is I'm a retired photographer. I've recently taken up lino print and love it, absolutely love it. I bought myself EZ Etching Press from Creative Printers of London. I decided to up my game. I love it so much that I wanted to buy better equipment, and I posted some stuff on Instagram. I think they seemed to like it, which I was really pleased about, and they've asked me to do this little video of the process. So I'm going to go through the design and the carving and the printing of a lino print. Hope you like it. I'm not an expert. I'll give you a few tips and just show you what I do, and hopefully you'll get something from it. So without further ado, let's get stuck in. There you go, 43 hours condensed into about 25 minutes. So I hope you got something from it. I know I did. Lino print, something I really love. I'm going to put some credits up at the end with you know, just information of some of the suppliers and people that I've mentioned during the video. Thanks to Creative Printers of London for encouraging me to do this. I really enjoyed the process. I'm really pleased with the print, and I love the press. So hope you got something from it, and I'll see you later possibly.